I'm just looking forward to singing. I'm really excited about this. My name's Callum, I go to Christchurch and we're here to sing for the anniversary of Roald Dahl.
We were listening to some of the stories about Roald Dahl's life and then snippets of his own stories, and then with each snippet we would sing a song that went with it.
My favourite song is School Song because it's really fast. I've only just learnt it and I got a lot into it and I really like it.
I think it's really quite an exciting thought that 3 venues across Wales have been filled with children singing these songs. It's really fantastic that through the power of film and music, something that really brings everyone together, unifies it all and just celebrates Roald Dahl in a really unique way.
My favourite part was probably us all getting together as one community and singing.
It was very fun to sing with other people, not just our school.
Fi'n hoffi canu gyda'r holl ysgolion eraill, oedd e'n dda.
Mae Roald Dahl yn inspiro fi i wneud pethau fel ysgrifennu lot o pethau.
Mae Roald Dahl yn awdur i bob un plentyn fi'n credu ar draws y wlad. Cynnig bod nhw'n ysgol Cymraeg, ysgol Saesneg, mae'n croesi pob iaith. Mae'r ffaith bod nhw wedi cael y profiad o ddarllen i lyfrau fe, dysgu amdano fe fel awdur, a nawr canu'r caneuon hyn sydd wedi selio ar y llyfrau wedi bod yn ryfeddol iddyn nhw.
Fy hoff ganu oedd Revolting Children achos mae yna lot o sŵn.
It's just so jumpy and it makes you want to sing.
Revolting children, till our revolting step. We'll have church for revolting, we're revolting.
I think we really enjoyed it.
I just think it impacts on their confidence, their self-esteem, their well-being, and that filters into all their other creativity and all their other learning as well that we're doing.
It was really fun and we got more to learn about Roald Dahl, so when we read the books we know more about him. I never knew he was in the Air Force, so that was really cool.
Mae prosiect fel hyn yn bwysig i ddatblygiad plentyn, oherwydd nid yn ochr gerddoriaeth yn unig, ond mae'r barddoniaeth, mae'r llythrennedd, a mae straeon Roald Dahl hefyd, a lot o straeon am moesau iddyn nhw hefyd, o'r ochr gymdeithasol iddo fo, felly mae'r plentyn cyflawn yn cael ei datblygu, dwi'n meddwl.
I have to say it was an hour of pure joy and loads of singing, lots of children having fun, singing completely different songs. You know, there was a lot of different genres, lots of different styles. So I think all the schools have done a fantastic job of learning new songs and then performing them brilliantly.
It's kind of nice when you all get together, sing and generally have fun.
Oh, it was brilliant. You know, today in this building we've had 3,000 kids singing. And boy did they sing, even if they weren't sure of the words. You know, we had both languages going at some point. It was really quite moving actually, and to think with Llandudno and Aberystwyth, well, around 4,500 kids from Wales all singing songs because of this project we've been doing, and that's brilliant. That's exactly what I wanted it to be.
We